What I love most about cooking is how food transforms when you cook it. To me, food is like an icebreaker. It's like a great way to learn about people, learn about what they like and don't like, and it's just a great way to bring a lot of people together.
This industry is a very personal industry, and so we love to interact and communicate. Part of food is that family atmosphere, and so the relationships you build with food, they're priceless.
They really give you real experience, and I think some schools lack that, to be able to experience what it's like working in a restaurant. You start right away. You start making stuff for a restaurant. You start practicing. Like the first week, you have a whole restaurant run. They just throw you in, and then you have to figure it out.
They not only learn the techniques from a book and through videos or a lecture, they do the hands-on from the back of the house to the front of the house. One aspect of the program that we have that most other colleges don't is we have a specific certificate just for restaurant management. The industry is wide open, and so opportunities are endless.
When I graduated high school in 2011, I actually wanted to come here, but then I got pregnant with my daughter, so I wasn't able to. I just wanted to make sure that it was an appropriate time for my daughter. I knew no matter when I was going to go back to school, I was going to come here. And then now that she's older, she just turned 5. She's like, loves it. She just wants to come in all the time and see the kitchen. The instructors are really helpful, and they really work with you to ensure that you can get your education and still be a mom, basically.
We use a peer mentoring type system, and so we try and maintain that environment where the students who have been here for 9 months are really teaching and training the newer students to organize and keep the kitchen under control.
It's a great experience because you have people from all different aspects of life working in one kitchen. We all have a passion or a love for cooking, and no matter where we came from, we all have that in common.
The career doors this opens up for students, so the hospitality industry is fantastic. In fact, most of them have jobs before they leave the program.
I was nervous. I was like, what if I don't like cooking? What if it's not what I expected? Then I was like, I'm never going to know if I don't try, so I just did it. That's the only advice I can say is just do it. You'll never know until you try.